This is Mark 3 of my CNC router. I've got an updated gantry tower. It's much higher, so I've got much clearance for the job. I've tried to disconnect the cutting tool and I'm just putting a pen just to test for accuracy. Zoom in and see. Well, the machine is working. Let's just have a tour around. Basically, we've got, this is the Z assembly, goes up and down the rail, and all that is moves along the Y rail, and the full assembly, the whole tower, moves along the X rail I'm holding here with my foot, here, and the whole thing is driven by stepper motors. There's the stepper motor for the Y-axis. The Z-axis is hidden behind the Z tower assembly. It's in there somewhere. And the whole gantry is powered by a stepper hidden down there to that. See, I will be making a Z-axis. I mean an A-axis, rotary axis, with this stepper motor. That's going to be like a third table, so I think the carvings in 3D. Let's see how the job's doing. Considering the tool is safe with gaffer tape. Not so bad. An idea of the scale of the machine. Here's my hand. And this damn thing takes about a quarter of my bedroom. And since it's taking a bit long, I will just stop the video here and I will show you a picture of the end product in a sec.